I want to talk about filters. What I'm going to explain in filters will apply to this visualization and every other visualization that I explained. Okay, because it's more advanced. We have we have a suite of what we can do under filters. By default, you will have filters for the parameters that you have chosen in your model. If you added the earned value cost, of course, by default, you're going to have a filter for that. Filter is, do you want to see value less than specific, and maybe you want to filter the breakdown of areas that is only greater than 1 million. You are dealing with biggest areas, for example, if that's what you want. But we can also add different filters. For example, budget labor units. And I wanna so let's say that or total cost. Let's have, because labor units, so maybe it will make sense if I can remove the filter from the X here, and I'm gonna grab the total cost. Let's say that I wanna have the value greater than, yes, so that's needing a breakdown of only like the biggest areas in the project, 1 million. So you can do a lot of filtering